Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Shake your tambourine and praise the Lord. But the leaf of the tambourine mind, it comes up with a revival time. Everybody shake up the tambourine and praise the Lord. Everybody!
It's a Mixup Party Friday, people. A Mixup Party Friday. Good afternoon, Jamaica. And good afternoon to the rest of the world. Proper respect, indeed. Enough respect. We're up in that place, And we want a shell down Friday, yeah? We want the Friday turn up. Mr. Nico, Mr. Chris Cross. Whoa.
Proper. Raga, I'm not such a big DJ as it. You know what I mean?
Oh!
Love,
Oh! Any Nico there with a defender.
You got the bars, man, so... Me at liberty to do them things, like...
What you say? You don't get so big yet?
No, I don't get so big yet.
All right, Papa. You done the boss. Everything is everything. Party belly.
Boom.
What's up?
But they are going Bill, you know what I mean?
Everything is everything.
Yeah, I'm good enough just to come in for the schoolwork and thing, isn't it?
All righty. Yeah. Want to eat lunch already?
No, I'm waiting on mine. I don't know about Chris Cross.
No, man, you know me never eat lunch.
But
Oh, yeah, we're on here one there.
It's at the restaurant.
Uh-huh.
It's too calm.
Okay.
Usually that's where
It's too calm. No, man, it's too calm. I try to just forward him order late and thing, you know what I mean? But it's a come, man. So where your lunch there? If you have any.
It's already in my stomach. You know.
No box, man.
Right, and it was quite stomachable. Chris Cross. Nico must have heard, like when something not go on feet, it's unstomachable.
Yeah.
It remind me of the uncounteractable leak. Yeah, man. Unstomachable.
Yeah.
Real, like some people, I'm unstomachable.
Like
Nah, feel them at all.
Like
You understand?
Yo! Real gangster them on the road, I say, yeah, man, everybody on stomach too. I want to.
Oh.
Yo, you know, see how only Jamaicans do that, though.
What?
When I'm angry, they keep on, I say, oh.
Oh. Yeah, man. In a way. You have to hiss your teeth with it, too. You know what I mean?
Yeah, no.
You have to catch a little
Chris
fight.
Cross, yeah, you're a real gangster. Oh, a guy if he knows a woman afraid and no guy, I don't know how to deal with, hey, watch it out, me, that's soon, I try
You don't know, you know, man. I
try not, Chano, my Benny,
You?
sure, Yo, I where they come from. Yeah, anybody can explain it.
No, not really, no. Just one of them things there.
You see it.
One of them things the way you can't teach it, you know?
Yo, you know, say, I only, me not see, how me that say? I only Jamaican woman, me see beat up the side of them foot to the degree where them do it. Like other people lick them body anyway, them, you know, people are arguing, them we touch them body. But only Jamaican woman, me see batter them body when them get mad and
That's true. I ain't feel the lick. I'm going to tell you the next time when them love lick to the chest. The foot and the chest.
But the Jamaican woman have a thing. No, the side, the side of the foot, man. The side, Jamaican woman have a thing when them Slap up the side of them foot. Me don't know how I go on this way.
Yeah. The part now is for the chest coming. Like, if you think you're bad, lick me. Oh, me, I'm back.
No, but people lick them chests all over the world doing them arguing. The chest thing all over the world. But you see, there's a style where Jamaican woman lick the side of them body when they argue, man. Where we don't really see nowhere else. You don't see nowhere else, you know? Everything is everything. Okay, people. It's fast approaching 10 minutes to 2 o'clock. It's a good time for...
Something. Oh my God! Can you believe it?
Man, can you believe it? True stories from around the world that make you say, Papa Jesus, then anything can really go so. Okay, this can you believe it? Well, the story is out of the country, Nepal, but it's about a Nepalese maid, her experience in Kuwait. Okay. Woman says she was raped by a demon. Woman says she was raped by a demon. A Nepalese maid in Kuwait was arrested by police and thrown in jail following a phantom sex assault. The unnamed Nepalese housemaid worked for a family in the city of Taima. The terrified family called the police yesterday when the woman began acting most bizarrely. The family reported that their maid began yelling that her relatives had set a demon from Nepal to rape her. In an attempt to protect herself from the invisible sex pest, the woman jammed a pillow between her legs. When police arrived at the scene, they reported that the woman began ripping her clothes off and telling them that the demon was raping her right at that moment. The police promptly locked the maid up and will be transporting her to the deportation center. Chris Grass, Emily, what say you? I could put it in a pattern with the people. That woman is from the country Nepal and she work as a maid in a Kuwait. You know, Kuwait is a small country, but very rich, oil rich. So most Kuwait people them not really do menial labor. So they import workers a lot. So this woman come from Nepal and they are Kuwait. And all of a sudden the woman start ball out and say, Dopia sort her out. Say Dopia send up the sitting upon her and thing. Fling a pillar between her leg for block the Dopie. And I make beer nice. The police and when the people that must work for ask her what go on, she say, as somebody, a relative them over Nepal, send the dopey to come sort her out and thing. And that's why she have to make a problem nice there. And I go on. So, and when the police them come and see her, I tear off her clothes and beer things, and she tell the police them, so right at that moment, the dopey has sort her out.
Sorry,
so the dopey fling it up on her, yeah.
Sure, so the dopey Spanish town to get a visa.
No, well, that dopey is a little boy, and we don't know if in his little boy,
the big woman them love.
Well, lad, honestly, say I know only Jamaican woman them believe said up here sort them out.
For real. But enough demon walk a road still, you know.
Yeah, and look like them travel too. And them they are foreign and all them things there. No, but when I say, but again, is that woman the dopey them a sort out? It look like, is it the case that is only male dopey can sort out people who not, woman who not dead yet? Because we don't hear about any dopey woman a sort out any man who alive. You understand?
Yeah.
Then tell me something, man. Yeah. If that woman here I say dopey a sort her out and sit. Jeremy, may I get a little echo there? May I get a little echo? So you can. If that woman here say dopey a sort her, why them going to just deport her? So I don't understand.
You know, doping are really fast with people unless them know them. So maybe them might all the things, you know. She a arbor the dopey.
I don't think, you know, the woman I work as a helper. No, man, the woman I work as a helper. But that is not reason for somebody to get deported. So dopey a sort them out so you get deported.
Yeah, because when you
she-
come home and people say, so why you really get come back? Eh? Where you go sit? Oh, look how weird. And I say, you know, say, oh, Uncle Duppy, what me that say, what me that did. And
No,
something
man,
never
no,
work
what
out.
should I do? Remember, she said a relative them send it up, you know, man. Listen, the family reported that their maid began yelling that her relatives had sent a demon from Nepal to rape her. So them I say, at Nepal, them send the Duppy from. And send the demon from Duppy, who be a, you know, hey, some trang, who be a that door, you know. No, man, for them send, how them do that now? How them make the Duppy travel, like if you send like a proper woman, how they make the Duppy just fly over so and just go rape or somebody like that. Clearly this maid needs help. And I don't think deporting her is the answer to our problem right there. So, you know, the poor woman a fling pillar between her legs, all when the police them come, they must say, yo. She a say, yo, it a go on right now. I send up the something right now, you understand? And, you know? If a woman out there say that she's being raped or whatever, do you think it would be appropriate for them to send her to, you know, what them do the rape investigation? Forgot what name. You know a place, man, I think it is up on Ruthven Road or whatever.
Investigate what? Don't believe evidence?
No, man, them have a sexual assault division or department in the Jamaica Constabulary Force with dealing with rape cases and all that stuff. You understand? So may I ask you, like if a woman says she's being raped by a duppy or whatever, you think it would be appropriate to send her to that place to get checked out?
She might get one more on the way.
Yeah,
No,
you don't know.
no.
You don't think that work out.
What?
I don't think that work out.
No, well, no, if the police have come and the woman says she's being raped and she's convinced she's being raped, should she be sent there? Or should we send her to a psychiatrist?
Yeah,
A psychiatrist sounds better.
A psychiatrist
Yeah, man.
sounds better. Psychiatrist
But
sounds
I feel maybe she just want help, yeah, man.
You know, man, always I wonder when it come on to dopey things, why only some people get affected by dopey.
better. Exactly.
No, always I
The
wonder.
lady could have touched it. Cause if what them say should have take off her clothes, right? Like fling it off.
I tear off her clothes because the duppy I give it to her, yeah.
But what I'm saying, how them she was standing. I don't know if you get what I'm trying to say. She was standing, so like.
No. We don't know if she was standing or not.
But how should I take off her clothes? Good.
In fact, we can assume that she wasn't standing. Well, it's more likely she wasn't standing if she had jam pillar between her legs.
Had what?
Pills.
She jammed in an attempt to protect
To block
herself
the duppy.
from the invisible sex pest. The woman jammed a
Which
pillow
would have been
between her
irrelevant
legs.
to.
Eh?
Which would have been irrelevant to. Since it's an invisible pest.
What do you mean?
Rather than him not can go through things that dopey, you know? You ever hear people like do and dopey and say, yo, man, come back tomorrow. Watch me. Tomorrow.
No. Some Jamaican believes that if you leave your door open at night, the duppy will come in, that you must lock it. No. You never know that.
Same as
Or you put something out there.
No, man, some Jamaican believes that if you leave your door open, you are welcome, you met the duppy, you invite the duppy in. That you must lock your door. You have some, well, I'm most certain woman me hear that from in Jamaica, some old time, sitting here and them say, lock your door, man, because whatever. No, but in general in Jamaica, they think you keep up duppy. Like, whenever go some people here and say that old can, one
Yeah.
old can.
Or like
You
the
ever see
tape
that?
measure.
And the tape measure, the old can is right. You ever see a horseshoe?
Oh yes. Yes.
You see the horseshoe?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, man, and them things that keep up duppy, man.
And the bacon soda.
Yeah.
And
Cream
I saw
soda. Cream
one of
soda
the
and bacon.
garlic ones.
Yeah.
My granny, she did have garlic.
Well, listen to me. The argument done right now. All me gonna say, I go and get a horseshoe. I go and get one of them whole can. I go and get a tape measure. I go and talk to a woman man and sort out. I know exactly where I go and put those things. Right at the step of the broadcasting. Hey, that was a joke. Lighten up. That was. Here the levels, you know. A phone mix up and any other mix up on the app. But why me get one good mix? And when I me go at the high school over Spanish Town there. And when I me go on, no sir, it is alleged that a little drama go on over St. Catherine High School yesterday. And what at me here? And what at me here? So the wife go over there, go grab the mate who is a teacher and get a proper whooping. Papa Jesus, and what a talk one in the pit, right from the school compound. No, sir, if anybody know the details of that mix up, you call in and make me know what is what. I want to know if anything really goes off it true. Right? Call in and tell me about the wife who beat out the mate. Watch it not. So the mate is a teacher at the high school over there and sitting over Catherine there. On a call and give me the met. Phone mix up for any other shell down slap with turn up sitting one want call in and rinse. Don't remember when you deep up in the mix up, you know why you cuss nobody without saying a swear word. And when you deep up on somebody in the mix up, now call them name. And when you call, we don't want you on the radio. Back on around on the whatever. We don't want you nobody attack around on the cause. We don't like them things there. And the technical operator will just cut to no half. You see? Okay, to the phone lines we go right now. Straight mix up with a Sheldon sitting with a good afternoon. Hello.
Good afternoon, Raga.
Whoa.
You hearing me?
Yeah, ma'am, I hear you loud and clear.
Mr. Raga, may I call a song with you and I can't get you. You me have to say to you, Raga, me deal with one man. And I'm be a father doing the boss for me, be a father stop me and him attack.
Yeah.
Anyway, Raga, my sister come from foreign from December last year. Anyway, 2 minutes in was when my sister come here, I go down on me a pen. Me tell him say, my sister come here, go down on me a pen. I may want to keep in house, bring me, I may keep in house, you know. No go to Raga. Me tell him, my sister go work the first week in January, which is lie. Because me, I want to look all of my friends who live nearby and give me some, drop me on some details, saying, there is one big fat girl on the road, which me ever pass weeks. Yeah, you know, Raga?
Yeah, ma'am, I hear you, yeah.
Yeah, they look all woman ever tell me she drink from and then sitting there but she fast by young people these days. And me look a friend. Anyway, Raga, me tell him, say, me go down on my sister. And me now come up back till on. When my sister go, me not make him no wiser. Me go over my whole man friend here, go all a look a rest. You see, man, and me take the key from him. Me turn to him and say, no worry yourself, man. Me now come up. 14, my sister gone. You know, do your thing, honey. Do your thing. Raga,
all right.
I never know what I do. You go work in the security work, you know. I mean, when I'm there off. You understand?
Right.
Raga, I pull the door and I go over there. Oh, pull up and sit. Me not touch nothing. For me, I want to see how tidy the place.
Right.
Raga, me know when him, me go over there when me know him near to come. For me look all my friend tell me to the girl go over there. Raga, I never do a thing when I take myself and I pull the door and I go in there. And I go under the bed. Me dead in that house, you know, so till me ear like one look, it get a pull. So me prepare one look window, me see him and this stinking girl Raga. Me can't say that?
Yes, you can say stinking girl, yes.
All right, me say Raga, I never do a thing when I go under the bed. I never carry no equipment with me now, nothing. I go under the bed. Raga.
Well on. Wait, when you say you never carry no equipment with you,
like no
what you mean?
Stick, no stick, nothing.
Oh, you never carry no stick or no iron or no stone, no equipment?
No. No. Raga, go under the bed. You see how
yes.
the door come in?
Yes.
Here the girl. Lord Jesus Christ, at home at last. So the girl there. Here him.
When the backside here said to me, when the bonner girl come in your house and you under the bed and listen, she said, Lord Jesus Christ, I'm home at last.
Yeah. So the girl there.
And she said, where the girl there, that are you shall refer to. What a piece of brightness.
Me say, Raga, for the me I could have figured the low down. Raga, I say, I feel it through my teeth. But me say, me nah come out yet for me no
Well, stop there. Stop right there. So me figure a tambourine for now. You feel it through your teeth.
Me say, when me say me do, me feel it through my teeth.
Yes.
Raga no come out said time. Me hear the girl drop down in the bed, the way the girl the bed sink.
Yeah.
Make the bed sink for him now. Come and then the pants for the bed go on with one piece of salt up. Mr. Raga, come like a fire oven on that bed.
What you say? The way them a put on the salt out good. It coming like you did in our oven under the bed. It hot.
Say, he come like a oven under the bed. When Mr. Raga, so till...
Yeah, well, you know part of why that is. You see the fluffy them when they salt out, then give off a whole heap of heat, you know.
Jesus, Mr. Raga. After I didn't want to come out and I didn't get the salt out. But I don't come out of the street that I say I come out. But I know I cannot come out, Raga. Me hear when he say that go down the road. While the restaurant along the road and they go buy chicken and chips. I know I say down the crowded.
Yes.
I know I say when he go down there, I go take a long to come. So I say, no, me I wait till then don't start out. Raga, one night time I come like a big girl go on top of him. So hold me here, the bed and rockle up and I rockle up and I rockle up.
Papa Jesus, what?
In serious, I do have my sister, you know. Me lock her phone and everything that if the phone a ring, phone can't ring. Raga me
Exactly.
so till anyway then done. Then they little bit on the bed a cooler so till him go in the bathroom, go all fresh and he ask her what she want. So he say I go down to go buy chicken and chips. And if she want a hot dog sandwich, because they say hot dog sandwich up the ear the girl again. And that's your bag, your girl when time on there. Me say, Raga, me tell you, me feel it through my teeth, me heart burn me.
Yes.
Raga, I wait till him go in the bathroom, go big. Is it true she big house? Oh, me now, I know, him me a cat yet, you know.
Yes.
When he go in the bathroom and bathe and breathe off and everything, all me perfume, Raga. Me perfume. Me perfume, one judge your perfume, my auntie when you far fine, come get me hardly use the boy take quick as it spray me so belly.
Well, but we must spray your perfume, pan.
Beard and use it, put it up on this, so when she can't use it. For me, when they say, you can't use it, this one, I don't know, me say, Jesus Christ, boy, you're not written, man.
Oh, Lord
perfume,
God.
me hardly use the perfume there.
Sure.
I want this
Because you're rated.
perfume, you know.
Yeah.
Anyway, Raga, I must go to the door and go. She get up. Me now, let's do what me now. Say, so what you worry about? Me not nobody to come here, man. So me say, you mean on the bed to me say, me nobody to come here. You go school tonight. Raga, you say, I know, say, reach down at the shop and wait till both she go in the bathroom to, you know. Robbie, you know, Raga. You don't know what me do. Me and me key said speed. Me lock the door.
Yes.
Pull the door.
Yeah.
Lucky door, Raga, because she don't know where you're going. Bathroom,
Yes.
like a shower, spray. You say, Raga,
Yes.
you know, in your want baseball bat, somewhere on a kitchen pot, but it put top part kind of broke, but it can't lick same way. Just when I go in my bathroom, but you don't know when to turn on, you want to look a blow pipe and a full, because I say she don't use the car shower today. One bad pan in then turn on the low pipe, a fully bad pan, after before she use the shower.
Yes.
She shows that she not used to things. She still use the bathroom. Not use the man shower. Turn on the bathroom.
Yes.
Sit down bathroom. Sit down and tell it. I don't know where my little pee my beer.
But probably she didn't want to go pull up in the bathroom in a one bath or something like so. I live big life in your bathroom.
True. Mr. Raga, you say me bossy do I'm going there. Me bossy I like figure it so. Me say I want the box cover you are doing here. You not tell me Mr. Raga. You're still not working me now here to the back. And if it's really fat, I want to go dash up on the floor, can't tell it, go slide and drop back. You see me slide and drop back, Raga, me easing down with my foot, me say top take people, man. He can't get up rather in fat. Raga, me say when me work him, and me wheel me in my bread, and me not gonna lie, Raga, me give me so lick that you know find big. Me say, Raga, me just frisky, I was telling myself, you know, man, you send me down to work him, man. I want to work him, go on to work him, come. Back.
Well on. You work out with the baseball bat.
Me work him, but I'm not throwing strong, the back drop out of my hand. Coming out in a line up, him, I give me lick too. But me not have to take scene lick, just when the back drop out of my hand. Me reach, me go in and me take up one pressure cook cover. And me go so, whap! Right in my top. Me take up, me feel I want to hear it, then knock up in there. Come.
Well on. What you do, you use the pressure pot, cook cover and whack her in her head and her teeth, then go kong.
Me say? What me say? Teeth go?
It teeth go, come. You tell me how the teeth go. Tell me how the teeth go.
They say, come. When time me done, when time me then there, me beat him. I'm going to ask some people.
Well on. No. Say beat her, cause that woman here beat her.
Yeah. Me beat her. I saw people, me see pick hold the pipe gate. And me see look a whole man frying me peep and me teeth. And the man me hearing cover the food. I want. Your friend gonna pull it down and come out. You know, how you do? You know, like in a Sandra, which is not my name. I just use that name as a reference.
Right.
How you do? Me say, what you want to do? Yeah, me say, hey boy, I don't know what this me. I hear this.
Well, me, you know what? Me like that little part there. You tell the story. You talk up the things in my head. And say, and I say, I just say Sandra, which is not my name because I just use that name as a reference. Me like that little part there. But go on, that.
Yes, but like Sandra, what you say? What me I do? Yeah. Me say, Raga, say me grew up with man dream now. Me do you know? And I really look at me all the food them keep out time, you know. When me
all the food, you lick out time, man.
And some of them up in the dirt. Some of them up in the me want me out there back. No, the girl coming like she gets straight now. When she see me come put through and one blouse come out, like she gets straight, no feel like to say no. When she come out, no, and I really family, no go defend her. She come out, yeah, see the girl, she just go down to the bed, the girl did that. She come up in her face and go, so, how you do? You the young one come call me. So same time me not telling them in pick up you know. So same time me say, but you're not easy. I'm like, woman this now she have a key for herself, you know. And if she even here to me, any woman do the same thing, cause you know what I mean, let him in a raga. You know what I mean, call me a cuss you know. At the same time, one boy go hold and pan her and tell her she must go on her, cause she not live far from the yard, you know. So same time, you mix up now. Me said, look, oh, man, friend, me give me heart, me they love drink up. He and she know. Like she that say, but Maxine, you want to walk and take people, man, and leave with your man round it, so. Raga, and this one mix up start for fear, man, round her yard, and like she tell the man, like, oh.
When the backside here tell me, say, you're serious?
You know, how me I call you? Plenty people who are in my right now know Canada America. They know them man like this. You say, hey man, they run a yard, a girl walk and take people, man.
It's a little techie, shaman.
Man run a yard. Me you say man beat him out and fling him out the same night.
I fling her out the same night.
Fling him out the same night. He must go on a pool, you know. While they near pool, you go turn with some girl.
She going on what the lane name was she go? What the lane was she going name? What name?
Port Elaine.
Okay.
Lane, but then call it Port Elaine.
Port Elaine. But you look like a fear man in a one time either can no man no one no woman will take man more than no port more to take care.
Jesus, brother, me say me look all man friend, give me the hint. In drink, coming about in love fast na young people business, but in real me can enough timing. In now the money and we give him 3 bills and 2 bills, you know.
That's
and
right.
And me now, me I say, Lord Jesus, and like that, and she say, me a whole woman, what can I lie, me I see I tell you. And me smoke, you know, I got smoke all you read, you know.
Yeah.
You know, the whole man mix up there.
Me know, man, me know exactly what I want, man. Me know. Tell me something. When you beat her with the baseball, but every little you say, top tech people, man. Top tech people, man. Okay.
Top tech people, man. Top tech people, man. In drop one night time.
She drop. She drop, yeah.
One night, sorry. She drop one night time. So she drop. Me reach in her kitchen for EP pressure cook. Fit man, I'm lick him in the head, but you crank with the teeth, them man, like that.
Rockle up our teeth.
What you say
Tambourine. Rockle up our teeth, them man.
He said they rockle up in her head. And him belly come like it a dry and don't say, I get up the belly and go up in her face and I drop down back.
Okay, to the fluffiness I draw down back down.
You know that's what when on a ship come like river, not no banking.
Yes, we hear about that a while ago. One little girl done biggie with that. Say, when you're not in a shape, them say your shape coming, you're not in a shape because you get your shape out of river and it not no banking, yeah?
You know, so when they say you're not shape, you're not shape, you know, man.
Yeah. Oh, so she does wagga.
She, the minute me say, you know what I mean?
Cause you have some fluffy, when shape nice and look good and fluffy, you know. So she just wagga, so no?
And I wash with like a river.
And I... Why? Then she definitely not come back here yard or even come back on the road there though.
No, I mean I know where you reach. You send me a poor lane. I don't know where you reach.
She don't have poor lane there still. Then hold on, which district, which town, which area this happening? Tell me.
Hello?
Yeah man, tell me which area this happening.
Garden Pen, me a call from Raga Garden Pen.
Wait, Garden Pen there again, where that there again? Up where?
You go to Spanish Town, man.
Yeah.
You take a taxi and go down, man.
Okay, up a Garden Pen there and thing. Why that mix up your shell down, you know? I like that mix up here, but that why that slap where.
So what do you want to call you and give it to you and me not get to you, no, man. I'm a friend.
So when this did go down now, baby? When this did go down? When it go down?
Raga, a friend of December, I go down for my sister coming in December. And me a trick him and tell him me I go up there. But me tell him my sister I go first week in January, which is like I'm sister. And I go so quick.
Right.
You look old man friend, give me some low down. You understand? So me just use back me head pan him now, because me I say, you know, so me really want to see for true.
Yeah. So you want him still there?
I'm looking for him, but he's fast and never fast and a young guy business, you know.
Right. So you and the man still there, right?
Raga, me not tell no lie. Me and him not be that tall. Me I didn't want to look at you, you know. Give me him things, Raga. First night, me and him, he come link me and him ask me if I want nothing, re. So I said, no, man, me no want nothing. And him say, you don't want nothing to feed on. I say, no, man, me eat everything I want. Me no want a food on it, and I want nothing to drink. Me say, me no want nothing at all.
Exactly.
Anyway, me and him walk go in the yard still, and he say, if you come in the house, anyway, me there, and him say, ask me again if me no want nothing. So I say, no, me no want, and I say, no want money now, and so I say, yes. And they say, oh, me know you go say yes, because woman never say no to money yet. She went to me, you know. And he said, me ask for money and me dry in account because them you go in there and borrow it and say them use it and put it back. In which me don't know how much them leave in there, but any amount left in there, me I go give you. Raga, he go in the house and enjoy the draw. You know they enjoy the way they pan the bed.
Yeah.
In dry out and in take out around $6,000. Me seriously, I want to him give me out at that tree. Raga, the boy give me the whole light.
Sure. And you take it down?
Yeah, me now take it, Raga.
Okay.
He give me your light. He give me not like so me not really that deal with the boy. The boy can give me the security again. They give me money still no. Me never did buy me look at groceries or so me look at that and so you understand. So me go instead that day me buy up look at groceries and them look at something there. You understand?
Yes, me understand. So that one you and him deal. So
he didn't want start out still, you know. And they want me to start out. Me tell him some of the like come a people man here see first time and start out one and they say, that's all right, man, but me and him keep upon him, look, love up thing. They understand, but then you really want to start up. And me tell him, no, man, the next time.
The next time. So you did give him the green light the next time?
Whenever they end up to go and he plays the next time, look, I look incident, it happened. And he end up to go in our country, but he call me. And he tell you, he come up. No, what are we now? February?
Yeah.
Yeah, he come up for Valentine's the week before Valentine, and he go down. So, you know that Valentine night, everything kind of rectify. I mean, I tell no lie.
So, the Valentine night things rectify?
Yeah, everything start out, one and sitting.
Nice.
Me now go back to that security boy. Them this with them big so a girl take people man all out.
Yeah.
All both she go take people, man. And
all right.
No bed in her house, upon floor or bed there.
So is a nano bed, girl?
No bed.
See, but it's sticky on her, man. She's a nano bed girl and she get her shape in a river without any banking and thing. Nothing and then she go get your
nano bed, your nano shape, your nano look good self. No man, not too come on, you know.
Oh, when a woman nano bed, what you say? when a woman nah no bed, nah no shape, and nah no looks, no man nah go come on her, don't it?
No, and the place was start out a man loving woman guy when they got woman yard and they find woman yard start out a house look good.
That's true, that's true. Yeah, it's a reflection upon the woman that. Yes, that's true.
All right. Because man loving look comfort cash. You go come in there house and you see mattress pan bed. Place dirty. The man now want go back. Me wrong and me right.
You're damn right. But listen, thank you for that mix up. That mix up the shell down. I'm glad you finally get through and share it with you. I mix up like that for start the show every day. That mix up them man. Nah lie here.
This not tell you man, me want to call her from Wendy and the girl about don't call Raga man. Them going to know say you me say them fin no say me. I want to see you Raga say thick skin and broad back.
Brat. Tambourine them for no say you. Kind of government not the fire mouth. Yes. Bruce Goldingham. Hey, no man at Phelps and Phillips commission them and the memorandum of understanding not the fire mouth. Oh.
Listen them for no say me in a year when he said thick skin and broad back. And he said thick lip and thick tongue. Because you have to talk after you have to use a tongue and talk. Don't you know what say me?
All right, you take care here.
Same to you. I'm going to listen to your program every day.
All right, babe. You take care, man. Blessings. All right. I'm going to call you baseball bat. All right, people on Houston. I mix up the shell, dog. What you say? A tick tongue and sitting else. That one, the mud. We're going to celebrate new style. We're soon forward.
I mix up and blend that time.
I'm want to call and talk up the team.
Mix up and blend the family. You don't know we love and no call them, you know. But no bother get we in no trouble. No bad word. No mention nobody name or where them come from. No say nothing we can identify them. Remember we love the program, you know. And we want to keep it on the radio. So please me I beg you to keep it clean. Hey, I laugh, learn and grow, we say no. Hey, Raga, run the thing.
Yeah, man, welcome back up in the sitting. Welcome back up in the sitting. Yo, we just want to read a quick thing out of the star and something and whatever. And promoters lash out at popular TV presenter. And now, man, I know Michael Sharp from over TVJ. But Michael Sharp is not only an announcer, a presenter over TVJ. He's also affiliated with the Jamaica Constabulary Force. I'm not sure. Some people say it's like him on the level of a home guard. Who remember home guard or district constable? So some say like full police, but you know, he work with the police. But what has happened is that, and many times when media dance and thing, is Michael Sharp pussy come lock off the dancing with the police them, you know. And Michael always say, no, him just do him job, you know. And nothing wrong with that if I'm do him job. But what has happened is, what we notice, I'm going to say not to behind the body back when I can't say to them face. What me notice is that whenever Michael Sharp come with the police them, Michael Sharp is the one who usually move as if he's in charge. And well, at that we notice, right? We are promoter, we out there, we keep dance. You don't know me keep dance. I know Father Paul, I know a whole heap of people who keep dance. But we always notice, well, we are told that Michael Sharp and a really full police. Say him like DC or something. I don't know. I don't know if him a full police. Because many probably don't know. The police actually have a program where if you're a professional in one capacity, you can still be a police, you know, if you have a degree or something like that, right? The police actually have that program there. And many of those police are, them work in areas where one of them frightened for know where I don't want to get in. I not get in that part. But Michael Sharp is known. So what if a time when dance are shut down and Michael Sharp was so it reach a point where we as promoters say then why him always a come so why it always him? Why it always him in a certain area, in the corporate area and so forth. And A couple times too. Quite a few times. Me and Michael Sharp buck up a dance when him lock down the dance. And we say, boy, Mike, you couldn't really. And Mikey say, yo, I do a job. But it look like him have a reaction to him right here, you know? And let me read it. Several members of the entertainment community are organizing a protest that is intended to get news anchor Michael Sharp removed from television as they believe he has a vendetta against reggae and dancehall music. Calls for Sharp's removal via BlackBerry broadcast messages and social networking site Twitter are circulating this week after a series of dances in Kingston experienced earlier than usual lockup. Yo, that is the other thing to people. We usually have up till 2 o'clock on some nights and 1 o'clock on some nights. However, the police is still empowered to lock off the dance before the time when them tell us them guilty. So just so you know, the police actually has the right to lock off a dance before 2 o'clock or before 1 o'clock. So they must say basically something are going on as where there's a continuous pattern of the dance, they must lock off sometime early and Sharp, along with his job in the media, is also, see it in his style, is also, hold on. Well, sure. Is also a district constable in the police force and has been on several of these operations. His visibility on these operations has led to the current backlash. One broadcast received by the Star stated, calling for the immediate removal of Michael Sharp from being TVJ's news anchor, or else the music industry is going to boycott TVJ and Radio Jamaica. He needs to fight crime and leave dancehall music alone. Since this week, 2 events, Uptown Mondays and Mojito Mondays, were locked off in operations. Broadcast messages received yesterday reflected this and called for immediate actions. Venues that been pressured by Michael Sharp, The Building, Limelight, Weddy Weddy, Uptown Mondays, NSC Fridays, and many more dancehall venues. We all need to protest in front of TVJ. Sharp must go. Speaking with the Star, Q45 promoter of Hennessy Fridays, which is held on Burlington Avenue, was adamant that Michael Sharp stepped down from his position on television. Right now, everybody in the music industry want Michael Sharp out as a news anchor because he keeps going around and locking off reggae music. He's taking a personal vendetta against reggae music, he said. Who is Michael Sharp to be doing this? He's acting like he's a superintendent of a halfway tree. He comes before the time is due and sits down and waits for the time to come and running. He's enjoying locking off music, he told the Star. Q45 explained that he spoke to Sharp last Friday when he came to lock off his Hennessy Fridays 15 minutes before the scheduled lock-off time. Him don't even use his discretion and ask us to turn on the music or to give us an extra 30 minutes. Him just lock off everything. Why him don't look for the people who kill Coppercat? He questioned. Where this promoter, Winston Weepow Powell, said he doesn't believe Sharp uses his discretion, and he believes some of the problems stem from the Noise Abatement Act, which says entertainment events should end at midnight on weekdays and 2 a.m. on weekends. Weepow added that despite having a club license and staging the event once per week, his 5-year-old event has been experiencing early lock-offs. He said the license allows him an extension to 4 a.m. and he has also been using smaller boxes to reduce the noise level. I can attest to that. Me and Weepow, me see when Weepow set up that. Me see when Weepow tell people, say, bring in the box, them at the fence. Anybody who go down a Stone of HQ, you know what the man attack. And I always tell you, say, it's a club time. The plight of the promoters and other members of the entertainment industry is fully understood by Minister of Culture Olivia Babs-Grange. At the launch of the Follow the Arrow and Tessan Chin's new album, she said there are plans to make amendments to the Noise Abatement Act. Changes to the act are also being pushed by the Constitution, Advocacy, Lobbying, and Membership, CALM Committee, which falls under the JRIA, the Jamaica Reggae Industry Association. The group has started a petition to get the act amended. When contacted yesterday, Sharp declined to give comment concerning the calls for his removal from television. He requested that the Star contact Carl Angel Director of Communication for the Jamaica Constabulary Force. When contact was made with Senior Superintendent Derek Knight, head of St. Andrew Central, the division in which Sharp operates, he said that he is not aware of any specific operation aimed at locking down events in the corporate area. He said, however, that the police have been more vigilant due to an increase in the reports of stabbing and shootings in the area. With every approval, we enforce the law. 12 midnight during weekdays and 2 a.m. on weekends. As it pertains to Michael Sharp, he is a part of a team and he has supervisors. He doesn't work by himself. In terms of Television Jamaica, Managing Director of RGR Communications Group, Gary Allen, told the Star that he had heard of some comments and received text messages and emails about threats of the station's boycott and planned protest. He said he had replied to the messages but had not received any responses. He declined to comment on whether or not the planned activities will affect the station, but maintained that the matter is one for the police and does not think it is an issue that TVJ or RGR are involved in. So again, there you have it, people. I mean, the key point we I hear from them is that people don't sense any discretion from Michael Sharp, and we don't know if it's because people know Michael Sharp why they're singling him out. Because he's a popular man, of course. He reads news on TVJ. Everybody know Michael Sharp and things like that. So some people could argue that perhaps it's a case where, as them see him, them know him, so it look like him dead enough where if you have, different police, a lockdown, a whole heap of dance, see him where people are not targeting them individually and so forth. Tricky thing for the RGR Communications Group, as you know, I myself, apparently there has been, with TVJ, apparently there has been, directions given that I should be essentially blacklisted and not appear on television, TVJ. And, somebody apparently made the mistake and had me do an interview recently, and that didn't turn out too well over there, that people were very upset. Well, I heard the manager, Kay Osborne, who I gather is not particularly fond of me or what I do, and for other reasons which I will not get into. Have a look at problem. But the problem here is that RGR is a publicly traded company. TVJ comes under RGR. They're a publicly traded company. They're owned by people who buy the stock in the company. And if there are cases where there are personal vendettas, unfolding inside RGR, then it will be a cause of concern for the people who hold the stock in the company, of course, and things like that. Quite frankly, if Ragashanti can make TVJ make some money, why shouldn't TVJ make some money? You understand? And the issue involving Michael Sharp here and Dancehall now, we'll wait to see how this one will unfold also. But a proper pricky nice star right here so now. But we want to know, say, a long time thing out there in the dancehall fraternity. We really don't know what go on and sit. The time signal, and then we'll go back to the phone line.
Reggae jamming friends for everyone.
Reggae jamming Frankfurters, full of flavor, full of fun. Pick up a pack today. The time by Reggae jamming Frankfurters is...
It's 16 minutes after 3 o'clock. We go back to the phone line right now. Phone mix-up or any other shell don't mix up. Phone mix-up or any other shell don't mix up. We don't have one to send them on right now. Here we go to the phone lines. Good afternoon. Hello.
Raga, what?
How is?
It's Cartel Brown, yeah.
Cartel Brown. Where you call from? London, England?
Yeah, I call from London, England, Buckingham Palace.
Not a Buckingham Palace and things. So what you say, I know?
Me there, yeah. Me say me have one mix-up for you.
Send on.
Yes. Me have to fix one boy in England because the boy are going too bright. So, me fix him because I have this woman, me and her friend for a whole heap of years, yeah?
Yeah.
And she and this Rasta man there. But every day I beat her and I do all kind of things to her. So, anyway, every time I go around the house, you know, I go around the house to go chill out with my friend and sit down and talk and all the vibes and them things there. Every time I come around the house, him come make up his face and leave out of the house. And I ask him, woman, why me there in the house? Some says, all right, me I go fix him. Anyway, the man a Rasta man, so no minute in the house, she has seen some fish for the man. So she asked me for watch over the pot because she run go at the shop. So I said, all right, no problem. Me I go watch over the pot them for you. So I said, right. As soon as she leave out of the door, I go and fix this Rasta man because I'm too rude. Every minute him just like get on my nerves and I get in on my skin and I say, no. Today I got
Well on. What the Rasta man do you? What the Rasta man do you?
Mr. Raga, every time I come around the house, I talk about I wash the bar that doing here. You might call him Lucy Glue.
What you call him, Lucy Lou?
No, Lucy Glue.
Lucy Glue?
Yeah, because I'm stuck in England and can't travel.
Well, I can't tell what you said. The rest of us stuck in England and can't travel, so you call him Lucy Glue.
Yeah.
And him call you Shibada.
Yeah, him call me Shibada, so I call him Lucy Glue and him don't like it.
Okay, go on.
So anyway, so go out of the house, so the fish, they're in the pot in the kitchen. So I say, Jesus Christ, how me can't fix them and now? So I run, go out of my fridge, Raga. I'm not lie, our fridge full up because some girl fridge empty. Them have big fridge with ice set and all these things and have nothing in the fridge. But my friend's fridge full up, Raga. So I see one pack of bacon. You know, like you get the pack of bacon them.
Yeah.
So I take out one strand of the bacon, you know, Raga. Come and say, this is a Rasta man, I got yam pork today.
Hey.
I'm going to take the strand of the bacon. I'm going to run go over and trip on top of the fish. And then just put the cover back on for about 30 seconds. I just hear it a sizzle. And I sizzle. I know all of the fat just that drained down in the fish. And I just quickly take back out the bacon and throw it in our black scandal bag in our kitchen.
Right.
And she come back now. When she come back now, she don't know nothing what go on. So she call me. When me left out of the house, she call me. She said, me nah lie. She said, the boy just yam the fish and I talk about how me cook good and all of these things. Because she couldn't use to cook, you know. She have to go to college, go learn how to cook, you know. Yeah. So that's how me fix him and me just dash pork in him fish. Me love so him eat fish pig that night there. And him no know. And me I go fix him again every time I go run at the yard. Me I go find him come put it in him food. Cause I'm too all the other.
No, but what me I say is, you call him Lucy, him call you Shibada, you call him Lucy Glue. You know things say you take it too far, knowing that as a Rasta man, he's totally against meat, totally against pork. You don't think say is a terrible, unfair, disgusting thing you do to the Rasta man right there?
Raga, him a Rasta man and him a swipe. Him a Rasta man and him a swipe. So what?
But that is a different pork. No, cartel, bro. That is a different pork. You're confusing the pork.
No, hold on there, Raga, pork or pork. Raga, pork.
Hold on, man. No, cartel, bro. There is a difference between... Listen to me, man. There is a difference between pork and porky. Right? Pork and porky is two different things. The rest...
Yeah, but Raga...
What?
Raga, when him yam the pork now go run out the road, go tell everybody say him swipe the pork. But the gal him where him a swipe, I go run out the road, go tell everybody the pork, I go keep him mouth shut.
Then voila, how you know same swipe? How you know him swipe?
Oh God, this is the next mix-up now. Me can't even go into that mix-up there because the woman I listen, you know. Come me have one next woman who him a swipe, my love. My next woman friend him a swipe. Jesus Christ!
Well, all right. Nobody going at that part then. So
where can't get at the part.
Well, him have a bona girl where he must swipe.
Yes, I'm a next little friend. But me not getting out the middle of it, so me not talk.
All right, leave that one there alone. Leave that.
Yes,
but what me I say?
And big up the girl them. Big up the girl them when know them man name. Because you have enough girl them don't know them man name. When them man get locked up and go in the hospital and them call up the hospital and then call up the station with the man name, them I got to tell them say nobody in there with that name there. Because you have enough girl them get tricked and get false name and get alias and AKA name. So big up the girl who know them man real name what they on him birth paper. And big up the girl them who can't travel because you have enough girl them are traveling a dead people name in England, you know, Raga. Yeah.
Oh, for real? For real?
Them are traveling a dead people name. Jesus, I need to tell you about them. Them hate me through me can't travel and through me have stamping on my book and me not stuck. Me not stuck in the mud, Raga. Me can't fly out. Me believe I can fly. Me are Kelly me love. Me can't fly about British Airways, Virgin Atlantic, Jamaica Airways. Lord, me can't just fly and them can't fly. That's why them hate me. Come here, I go New York next month.
Well, what you just said a while ago, Jamaica Airways?
Yeah, Raga, I was.
I which plane that?
In a 2006.
I which plane that cartel, bro? And I which plane named Jamaica Airways?
Another one from Virgin. It is the only one that go in there now.
Well,
Air Jamaica.
Well, okay, all right then. So why is enough girl are foreigner traveling a dead people name?
Yeah, them are traveling a dopey name. That's why when them go to sleep at night, them have to leave one glass of clear water by them door. Because them frightened the dopey are going to come back and come take back the name.
Oh, well, that go when you say the girl them when them go to sleep at night and them have to leave a glass of clear water at the door. What that do?
That stop the dopey from come take back in name.
Okay. So cartel, bro.
Put up barriers when them asleep.
Why you say some girls say them a hot girl and them have to put up barriers when them asleep because them a ward off dopey?
Yeah, and the worst thing about it, them not sleep in a bed, you know, Raga, them asleep on the floor.
Well, yes, I will if a hot girl they are foreign asleep on floor.
I sleep on floor and I eat out a box. Because them can't cook and them not have no pot and them not have no stool. So them have to work and eat KFC out a box. Because them can't cook, them not have no utensils for cooking at the kitchen.
Okay, so and a good hot Jamaican woman them you talk about?
Yeah, good hot girl where you sleep on DVD. And them are sleep on floor.
So cartel, bro.
Sleep in our clothes. But you know, miss, what?
Tell me the truth. When last your teeth?
Well, Raga, what how you pressure me now, man?
No, me just no man, me not then we are here read. You know say we keep it real on the show cartel.
Well, me go help myself today to somebody butter and bio aisle. I mean skin needs to stay pretty and yeah.
What you say you got hold on, you got help yourself today to some body butter and bio aisle?
Yeah.
Okay, and then where else you take today?
That is it, Raga. Hey, but me I go take something later in the night. No worry yourself. But me not talk about it. No, Raga, listen to me now. Shh.
Yeah.
Me not talk about shop. Because shop I go lot later. But here what me I say, me I go thief something in the night.
Where you go thief?
So, work it out when me I go thief. Me I go thief something from somebody.
What you gonna do? You gotta take a next man, woman.
Boy, anyway, something like that, Raga.
When you say something like that, what you say something like that, what is like, what is that woman or a man you gonna take? Just tell me straight and down.
Raga, it's people me I gonna take, people, P-E-O-P-L-E.
Then well, cartel, bro. The people them through them hear how you talk and thing and you have a little sound and thing. You have some people that say that you're gay and all them things. So that's why I'm ask you, where you gonna take a man or a woman?
No, Raga, me not gay, me fashionable. That's why I'm talk the way I'm talk, I'm walk the way I'm walk because my shoes were made for walking this way.
Right. So what you say, you're not gay a straight woman to your link, no?
I'm a straight woman, me too good for just to limit myself, Raga. Me have to circulate.
What you mean?
Raga, me mean say, me a buy. Not for me say, me take my money and buy things, you know, me buy.
What you do? You take man and you take woman?
Yeah, I want Raga, that you want me for. Yeah, let me try the things. Yes, Raga, I want.
No, me just a ask. So you say you take both man and woman?
Me take woman money and me take man for pleasure. I want.
Or you take woman for money and man for pleasure?
Yeah.
But that no mean say you enjoy the man them more than you enjoy the woman them.
No. Me not have no. Me not enjoy it more.
Okay.
Me just love the excitement. Me love the excitement and me love see them in a straight dance when them a burn out funny man and them a burn out this and them a burn out that. But then when me lift out the dance, them a calm of fun. Me just find it very amusing. Cause you have enough of them a lick out, you know, Raga. And a them a do it, you know, and them a hide and do it, you know, and them a eat out a pot, you know.
Oh, see. All right, Papa. We have a break, you know. And
anyway, listen. What do you think? Come here, say them a give. Listen, me here say them a give you a fight at Jamaica, you know, Raga. So what do you think? Me have one black candle, me a light it for them because them can't stop you. And me not gonna stop light me candles for them.
Light a black candle for the Broadcasting Commission. The people that might use the Broadcasting
Commission. Black candles for them, Raga. Me a light black candles for them. And me a go look one cow tongue for fix them business.
You're going to get one cow tongue for fix them and good will be that done. Cow tongue will be done.
Yes, me I go make, Raga, me I go make the broadcasting people have to run up in a one tree and make the monkey come look for them.
All right, the Broadcasting Commission, them name. Me hear the Broadcasting Commission. All right.
Broadcasting Commission. All right, me I go up on the website and get the whole of the names and departments now. All right, big up yourself, Raga. Yes, sir.
All right. Tambourine! I want to break people so forward.
I mix up and blend that time.
I'm want to call and talk up the things.
Mix up and blend the family. You don't know we love no call them, you know. But no bother get we in no trouble. No bad word. No mention nobody name or where them come from. No say nothing we can identify them. Remember, we love the program, you know, and we want to keep it on the radio. So please, me I beg you to keep it clean. Hey, I laugh, learn and grow, say no. Hey, Raga, run the thing.
Yeah, welcome back up in our sitness in the Mix-Up entertainment thing with me, the king of Mix-Up, Ragashanti. Yo, sometimes, I don't know if a bill, when I not talk about me slow, I'm not slow. I know exactly what he mean when he must say he have to circulate. But you know, keep forgetting, I am the host of a show. And it better when only hear him say it. You know, sometimes my job is to draw people and whatever. So one time I have to fool to catch wise and thing, but the idea is to unfold the thing in such a way that it is intriguing and entertaining for you. I know exactly what I mean. And with all due respect, people, come on. I can't tell bro, touch the microphone what they and Ray. Oh, please, come on. You understand? And so the slow thing, sometimes when I like to rock slow, you know, I know I walk, but I just want the thing to play out. God, that is what it is. It's drama, you know, it's entertainment. But you might have burn a black candle for the people. Yo, phone mix up right there and mix up there. Give me a cat. Hey, when I hear cartel, bro, you hear how him refer to when him going to thief something. So him going to help himself. Emily. And when he say he help himself to today again?
Some cocoa butter, no, some body butter and buy him say Raga. Oh, yeah, pressure, Mr. Raga.
You know you love them arms downstairs. When you hear that talk, that you're supposed to have dead with laugh.
Me love.
Some body butter and some what?
Bio oil.
What is body butter and bio oil?
Like body butter, basically a kind of thick version of lotion. Most of the time it comes in like a little round thing, but it kind of creamy. It nice. Like what name? The Body Shop, the England, Body Shop, them sell it. I place it. It's like the English version for Bath and Body Works named Body Shop. I think them sell like a whole lot of body butter. But it nice, man. It kind of creamy. It's creamier and thicker than lotion.
It's like a lotion or something for rub on you.
Yeah, man, a lotion, you know, but it's thicker and creamy and it creamy and you know, you just. Yeah.
And what is bio oil?
I think some of it even tone. I think I hear a lot of bleachers use it though. But them also talk about bio oil for help smooth out them skin or even it out or something along that line. But it go with bleaching, the bio oil thing.
Yo, can't tell bro a sample.
But I love him, I like him.
I don't think that you love you.
Big up the Lucy glue them a foreign cause enough of them dead. Yeah. Big up the Lucy glue them.
Lucy. No, but I not support what him do with the bacon though. I not support him. And what me I say, if the rest they lick him down with a piece of board now or something, you understand?
Yeah.
A different thing that. But remember, say the rest never do nothing to him physical or whatever. Him call the rest name, the rest call him name, him call the rest call him Shibada, him say Lucy glue. So nobody never, nobody never do nobody nothing this. So give it that time, the rest, really against meat and pork and whatever. Him go just melt down the bacon and the man fish them. What him call it the pig fish. I didn't say the rest eat the pig fish.
Something like so. But I like him nice. I love him bad. And him accent alone. Boy, I don't know.
Yo, Cartel, bro, that lock London right now. Cartel, but if I'm bigger things, I'm not deal with them things anymore.
Yeah.
Cartel, when last your teeth?
Pressure.
When last your teeth? Well, I help myself to somebody but some bio eye. Man said help himself. I never hear that talk, they yet for thieving. I never thief, but I help myself. Hello? Okay, to the phone line to go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Good evening, Raga.
Hello, Miss Thelma. Yes, hello.
What a beating, eh? You give me a new year whipping bad.
What you talking about, Miss Thelma?
It is 3 times now I called. I called one day from 2 o'clock till 2:30 to 3. And you know I couldn't get on. And I've been calling some about the part, and anyway, good afternoon, Raga.
Good afternoon, Miss Thelma.
How are you?
I am exceedingly well. I'm doing well. I am blessed and highly favored. The Lord has been smiling on me. I am doing incredibly well. This has been a good year for me. Much to the disappointment of my enemies who insist on trying to bring me down and to put a stop to my prosperity. But alongside with God and prayers from people like you and support from people like you, I continue to do well, and I am very, very, very thankful.
Well, that's good, but still for all, I don't like how we have the long distance between me and you. Because you look like you're punishing me, you look like you're giving me a severe beating. It's a feel for myself.
No, Miss Thelma, you see, there are some things that you don't know, so but I'm going to tell you privately here, but there are some things you don't know, but I think I should tell you here.
So you say, I don't name Gladys, you know, name Thelma.
I know you're not Gladys, Miss Thelma. I know you're not running, because you're not Gladys. You're 86 years old?
Yes, anyway.
Miss Thelma, you're 86 now, right?
Hello?
Are you 86 years old now?
Of course I am. I'm proud of it too.
Oh, no, 86 years young. 86 years young. And things. So, you passed Gladys stage, Miss Thelma. You're not Gladys again.
I am proud of my age. Thank God for it.
Okay, Mr.
But, first of all, this is for you. Listen to it now.
Yes, Mr.
Good name in men and women is the immediate jewel of their soul. Who steals my purse steals trash. But he who filches from me my good name robs me of that which not enriches him and leave me poor indeed. That is for you, dedicated to you.
Oh, that was very beautiful, Miss Thelma. Thank you so much.
You get something out of that?
Yes, Miss Thelma. If them steal my purse, then get trash. But don't make them take my name, right?
Always go forward, never go backward. Keep forward.
There you go.
Life is like a railroad mountain. You will meet up pitfalls in life, but go forward.
There you go, Miss Thelma.
That's my encouraging word for you. And you know, last week, one day a feature that you had.
Yeah.
Again, some good general knowledge from it, you know.
Which one was that, Miss Thelma?
Yeah, a doctor, is a doctor leader, somebody the program, and they was telling you about the feet, some symptoms in the feet, some symptoms in your body that is caused exactly coming from your feet send out that symptoms. You remember?
Oh yes, they were talking about that apparently they are of the opinion that much of what occurs in our body it terminates in the feet.
Exactly.
And she was explaining that if you can treat quite a few ailments in the upper part of your body,
yes,
that those can be treated in your feet. So you enjoyed that.
Yes, I learned something, you know, from that, you know.
Okay,
you know,
Miss
too
Thelma.
old to learn, you know.
That's true, Miss Thelma. Never too old. Never too
I
old.
don't correspond with you. I listen to you all the while.
Miss Thelma, I know that, Miss Thelma. I know.
And you know, I don't have nobody. The little girl that spent the whole day with me just gone over yard. Sometimes, you know, this will not go to school, but I look a young lady come over and they're from me. And, you know, when I don't get you, I just feel disappointed because you might feel that I did it with you. But I'm a person, never forget kindness, you know?
Right. And for people who don't understand what Miss Thelma has just said, Miss Thelma is blind, so she has to have that young girl to help her to dial the phone for her. So that is what she's referring to. Yes, Miss Thelma.
Yeah, yes. But anyway, just keep strong. And before I go, let me ask you something.
Yes, Miss Thelma.
Why did a cook get arrested? What did a cook get arrested for? What did they arrest her for?
What did they arrest the cook for?
Yes. You don't know?
I'm stumped, Miss Thelma. You have to tell me that one.
Because they catch her beating an egg. You understand?
All right. Yes, Miss Thelma, I get it.
Yeah, but when egg punch was very popular in my days. Partly every other man them be an egg punch, and you know when you beat up the egg, take the fuck out with the egg.
Yes, Miss Thelma.
Well, that is what you could get arrested for.
Get arrested for because she did not beat the egg, so then lock her up because
Yes,
she was
yes.
giving a proper beating to the egg. All right, Miss
Well,
Thelma.
my pleasure speaking with you, yeah. And
Yes,
if when
Miss
you
Thelma.
don't hear, when I don't call up, I still listen to you all the while, you know?
I know that, Mr.
Especially when the features come, I learn something from it, you know?
All right, Miss Thelma. All right.
Heal up everybody for me, and people call me all the while, so I don't get to, or they don't hear me on your program, but circumstances alter cases.
Right.
And big up problem, Missy and Ruth for me, yeah?
All right, Miss Thelma.
Okay.
Bless you. Okay. Michelle and Ruth, Miss Thelma, so much big enough and things, so proper respect. Yeah. To the phone line we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, greetings.
Yeah, bless up.
All right.
Pick up Miss Michelle and
Yeah.
Ruth. Right? Which me not
Yeah.
know which one of my secretary still, but trust me. I think you need some more phone line. Every
Oh,
time
Zin.
you call this number here, it's like me get cut off back and call back again, cut off back. But anyway, phone mix up.
Yeah.
Alright, that brother I know, you have a work man, right?
Yeah.
You know, them always put some cartel on them thing up on ringtone, right?
Yeah.
Brother I know get a work in our church. The man a Christian, you know. He get a work in our church. God say, him put on the cartel we are talking about, Benz, whatever.
Yeah.
You know, the middle of the church, you know, he might do some work, you know. Pastor, the deacon, you know. Think of one Friday evening. Church never like really go on. Friday evening, I come down tonight, say, no, you people are take time for coming instead.
Right.
Pastor, then I say, yeah, I go on good, man, I'm doing work. Same time, phone going ring off, man. In the middle of the church, a cartel that I play.
I tell the gal him to bring the bench sitting down.
You see it. I say, boy, him set the ringtone there for the ladies, them. You see me?
So why pass? That's why they hear the cartel bust out in our church, you know.
Pastor fire him immediately, man. Fire him immediately. PM in not even reach half of the work good yet.
Well, the pastor fire him for that?
Yeah, I think I wire up the church. I put up some light and them thing there. And some fun.
The pastor shouldn't fire him for that.
Then reach halfway the church, me fi tell you.
No, the pastor shouldn't have let him go for that. The pastor should have said to him, son, listen to me now. When you're working, you don't make this happen again. This is a place of worship, and we don't need that type of cartel slackness in here. Turn off your phone, and if it happens again, I'm going to have to ask you to leave. You understand what I'm saying? Because clearly, I mean, you think the man did deliberately intend for that happening inside of the church?
Him not really. I want to say on his phone and never remember say it on his phone.
I remember the man.
He never remember saying ringtone that.
Yeah.
Church and say, all right, yeah, I'm get a Christmas working now. Yeah,
you see.
I eat a food and all that. The money where him charge, you never get the whole of money. That's piece of money and him have a cut.
Well, that's one of them things. Well, at least him have to learn now too. So when you go on them type of work there, you have to check your phone and things so you don't offend people. You see?
Mm-hmm.
All right, my boss. Now say a word here.
Raga.
Whoa.
Yeah, man. You have a next set of man them too, you know. They know around for talking and them sleep, you know. And you call their next day about that drama there.
All right, now say a word here.
Let me tell you. They know around for that. Them call themselves jealous. Right?
Yeah.
Whole heap of woman on the road, and when they lock down with them woman and they yard, them are talking and them sleep.
You see? And them don't really have too much control over that.
Eh?
Them don't really have too much control over that, though. You know?
You see it.
All right, Papa. Bless up. Yeah.
You got the secretary them still. They don't know all them around for cut off phone lines. But big them up.
None of them cut off the phone line, you know. And them are not secretary. Them are really co-worker. Ruth is a producer, you know.
Oh. Yeah, man, Ruth. Big up yourself. But the secretary cut off phone line. She's not around. She's quick on her finger. Cling. Ring back again.
Okay.
Cling.
All right, Papa. Yeah, man. Cool. Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, greetings.
What on, Raga?
There you know.
I have a mix-up, you know. Phone mix-up.
Yeah. Yeah.
Call this girl Sunday. Lesbian.
You do what? What you say you do?
I call a lesbian girl Sunday.
Why you call her?
I got her number, and I was feeling idle. So.
Okay. You don't feel idle, and you get her number for a lesbian, you feel idle, so you call her.
Yeah. Anyways, I called her up and I said, what's up, babe? What are you doing? And she was like, I got my number. And I said, don't worry about how I got your number. The most important thing is that I'm calling you now. And she was like, I have my person already. And she's very jealous. I said, you don't know if I will kick her foot. You don't worry about that. And she wanted to know what kind of phone I was using because she don't want my credit to run off. I said, you don't worry about money. Money comes and money goes. And she was like, she don't want me or whatever. And I started to tell her that I live at England from I was 9 and that I work at a law firm.
Right.
So that get her cripped up. She anxious now, so she really started to forget about our girl.
Right.
I called her back on Monday. And the phone don't ring 1 minute. She answered. I tried to dash me away. I said, no, baby, I couldn't do that. I couldn't do that. You're on my mind because your voice is so nice and thing. Raga, I called her back last night. When I called her, I made plans to meet with her today. Raga, you know, I said, girl, leave home and all of that. And I've been watching her. She comes to Spanish Town and sitting down waiting on me for 1 hour.
Oh, so given that you don't live in Spanish Town, it means that you did left and watch her so when she turn up, don't?
No, I normally go to the wholesale on Fridays. So when I called her last night, and she told me that she was free today, that was a good go-ahead for me. So I just tell her the time and whenever to meet me. And,
so when you see her, then know what you do? What you do when you see her?
I call her and I ask her where she is. I said, you need to get your butt down here now because me I give her the England slang, you know. Because I tell her that I was over there from I was 9.
Okay.
And tell her that my name is Tony.
You know, so you not
that.
quite get, you know, well, you not quite get the England accent, do you know? Me I tell you that, you not quite get it. But anyway, so you call her and tell her that she should come down and then what? And then when you see her, though, what you do?
When I saw her, because I told her last night that I was off-white and my eyes was brown.
No, me say, when you see her, though, what's why you tell her for me? What you do?
I tell her to meet me at Spanish. I tell her that she should tell me where to meet her because I'm not familiar with
No. Yeah, fine, you go through that. But when you see her, which part do not agree for me? What you do?
LOJ Plaza.
Yeah, and when you see her at LOJ Plaza, what you do?
I just watched her and she was sitting down and she had my number, so I just changed that phone chip and put in another phone chip and I was watching her. She was calling me and I wasn't answering and I watched her there and she was sitting down and I came home and when I came home I saw 11 missed call and text from her saying that I stood her up.
Okay, so where you want to go with this now?
Huh?
So where you want this to go?
Where I want what to go? Raga the girl Hannah saying she's an idiot.
No, but how you get her number? How you get the number of a lesbian?
A friend of mine was calling her as well, and she was kind of fed up with the whole thing, and come out clean and tell her that she's not a lesbian. So that's how I get her number.
But you say your friend did a call her.
Huh?
That mean your friend. That if your
yes,
friend did
my
a call
friend was
her.
calling her as well, but she was.
Yeah, but how your friend get her number then? If your friend did a call her as well.
There was a guy that she used to talk with. That's what my friend said. And
yeah.
She told the guy that she's a lesbian and that she wants a woman. So that's how the whole number came about.
Okay. So then so you ask your friend for her number for call her then, right?
Yeah, because I was feeling idle.
Just a feel so you don't feel idle, so you just want to call a lesbian and flirt with a lesbian and lead her on.
Yeah.
Okay. You don't think that is somewhat strange that you will call a lesbian and over days you lead her on and you go through the trouble for arrange time for meet her and then you go down there you watch her what you did for meet and then
no, because
call her and you know how long she did sit down there and all them something there?
No, because she's living in a community that I know. And I wanted to know if I have known her. So that's the whole reason.
Okay. All right. So you stop calling her now?
No, because I stood her up today. Yeah. I don't think that she will answer my call anyways because maybe she will find out by now that it's a prank call or whatever.
Okay, but you're going to call her again just to find out if she will answer, no?
No, because I told her that I'll be leaving Jamaica on Monday. I told her that I came out for a funeral and that I'll be leaving Jamaica on Monday.
No, what I mean is whether when you supposedly come back from England or between now and Monday, when me say you're going to call her back just to find out if she would answer, don't?
No, I wouldn't call her back because she never just... Even if I was a lesbian, she never dressed up to date.
Oh, okay. She never dressed up to date. So you never like her when you see her?
No, she never lookable. Even if I was looking at a woman, she never dressed hot.
Okay. But if she didn't shell down and look good and whatever, you probably just talk to her.
No. Me straight.
Okay.
No woman to me sing me straight.
Okay. So what your man say about all of this when you do all of this? What him say?
I don't know. It's just my friend. No, I don't know. Just my friend.
All right. Now say a word. Your blessings here.
All right.
Yo, give me a next call. Hello. Hello. My unequivocal statement here. I will never reveal what is in my brief. Thank you.
I think you should show me what is in your brief.
I will not reveal. If I show you what is in my brief, we would have to arrange very private circumstances where you will be the only viewer of what is in my brief.
Okay, Dr. Ragashanti. You
Okay.
know, before I reached here this morning at this inquiry, I had to take 3 truckle bus before I could get to the right bus to come here.
Excuse me, did you say shuttle bus or chuckle bus?
Truckle bus.
Chuckle bus.
And I am very, very disappointed right now.
Why?
Because I cannot see what is in your brief.
That you took several buses to see what is in my brief. But if you'd recall, darling, just now I informed you, should you really want to see what is in my brief, circumstances can be arranged to ensure that you're the sole viewer of my brief's contents. Would you like such circumstances to be arranged?
Okay, sir.
Would you? Would you? Yo, go see we in a man at Phelps and Philip. They would almost fling me out.
Raga, we have one stuff to dash for you.
Now, fling it quick. You have 2 minutes. You have 2 minutes. You have 2 minutes.
Raga, I know this man, long time. And the man, every day man don't for me say, he want a ride off of my 10-speed bicycle.
Yes.
So, Raga, me say, all right. Since I never throw any money for me and didn't give me anything when I want, me say, all right, make me help him out.
Yeah.
Raga, you know when time you're in that country and you get your ride on bicycle back, when you turn up.
Yeah.
Let me a code now, you know, you turn up on the bicycle back. And hold on on somebody's shoulder.
Yes.
Right. And I saw the man hold on on the bicycle. And when, Raga, me said to him, say, all right, it is a rough ride. So, me have 3 helmets in a one pack. 3 new brand helmets in a Raga. Me take out one of the helmets. And me put it on his head.
Yeah.
Put it on his head myself, you know. For me see a bad ride. And when I start to pedal, Uncle Raga, and when I pedal, all when me I go down the hill, me still a pedal, you know.
Yeah.
Me hear what me. Me say, wait, sit down. So me start take time and I crack a break and me sit down.
Careful, remember say the pan radio, you hear?
When me turn on and look, Ragashanti, I see the man with his teeth kin like a bikini furrow.
Him teeth kin like a bikini furrow.
Like a when dog dead in a stranger burying ground. And say,
what you say look like when dog dead in a stranger burying ground?
Yes, Uncle Raga. And when time me hear him and start, me turn in a wool, me crimple in, me gabardine 100% cotton, 100% polyester. The man start to let out all of the material him. Raga, when I come out, I was so ashamed. When you look at people in the front and play that, me know. Hear me to him, man. You shouldn't tell him more material, more than that. For when I call upon your phone and I tell you them they sit there for. What if you think, say, I phone me that talk fan.
All right. Well, I forgot the news now. You think you're easy.
All right.
Well, I forgot the news now, but take care here.
Okay, Uncle Raga.
All right. News time, people, soon far.
I mix up and blend that time.
I'm wanting to call and talk up the things,
Mix up and blend the family. You don't know we love no call them, you know. But no bother get we in no trouble. No bad word. No mention nobody name or where them come from. No say nothing we can identify them. Remember, we love the program, you know, and we want to keep it on the radio. So please, me I beg you to keep it clean. Hey, I laugh, learn and grow, we say, no. Hey, Raga, run the team.
Yeah, man, welcome back up in the Mixup Friday, Mixup Party Friday show where I rinse down right yesterday. You know, say it's all about Mixup Entertainment with me, the king of Mixup. Phone Mixup or any other shell down, turn up slap where Mixup wanna have seen any Mixup involving some drama with a phone. You know, somebody make mistake with phone. Somebody set up somebody with phone. Some look a prick here, some look a ray, or some text tracing. Text tracing. Go out for a phone. Just call it and give it a mix up them. Or if you have any shell down, turn up, slap a mix up, just roll in with it, same way. You see it. And don't remember, if you are deep up on somebody in a mix up, you can't call them name. You cannot call them name, nor can you use information that will still allow us to know who you're speaking about. So you have to be careful. I want to hear a radio in the background. If we hear radio in the background, we're going to cut off your cloud. Yeah? If we hear the noise in the background too, we get nervous. We don't like that, so you get cut off too. You see it? Big up all of my enemies, them who want to listen and I tape the show. They do all kind of things to me. I'm determined so you're not going to get me off a radio. I'm lucky. I'm lordy. I'm going to look on this a fly and I swear. I'm not going tired for see my face. Crow bait to know. Anyway, to the phone lines we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello, good afternoon.
Yeah.
Raga.
Uh-huh.
You say I make my wake up in the area Monday and catch water flu. Anyway, shout out to my brother-in-law, my sister man, for buy a shaver and turn ATM barber.
Buy a shaver and turn ATM barber.
Yeah.
So wait, then your sister go tell you and give you 100 and make you know?
Raga, it's in that to my sister with the bad. Raga.
Oh, I know your sister did I do it too.
Raga, my sister
sorry,
that.
It have to say.
Home.
Alright, put it that way. Say, hold on, stop. Then tell your sister say our man go swipe on girl. And put it this way. When him come home, your sister see the evidence in him teeth.
Right.
Alright, leave it right. Go on talk now.
She see the evidence. Here was she, she know the girl, you know. Here was she, I got say, no. Before she tell him, or tell the crowd, say, when she met the night, before she tell the crowd, say, somebody tell her, she no want to give up her waiting, so here was she, you know, she see the evidence and it favor one girl who went up the road. Raga, evidence, them the evidence tell have look.
Actually, you know, I'm going to be honest with you, you know. I am always amazed, sometimes shocked, at how a woman can look on a strand of hair and very often know who the strand of hair come from. I am always amazed with that. If it's somebody who them know, some women do have that ability. It's incredible. It sounds unlikely, but it's something I've seen on several occasions. If the woman see the person already and think women are more connected with other women's here than men are. A woman can see us. I am always amazed of how a woman can see here quick and how a woman can identify who for ear it is. And even if them don't know who for ear it is, them can look on the ear and quickly.
What about the ear on your head don't look like the ear nowhere else? The ear on your head different from the ear anywhere else?
No, what I'm saying, you know, what I'm saying, you know. No, but if you, I put it this way, the ear on your head is very similar to the ear elsewhere, you know.
All right. Raga,
so hold on. You follow what I say? We can't go in on a Alright, so if a woman, if a woman know another woman and see her and know the ear on her head and know that ear there, if she see that ear, there's some a piece of that ear there, where, because the same ear with the on your body is the same ear with the on your head and the same ear with the on your body, you know. So if she know the ear on a girl head, and she see piece of ear off of the girl body, somewhere in the girl body, somewhere, it's quite likely she would be able to recognize it if she see it long enough, you know.
Okay. Anyway, Raga, him park him car Sunday, park him vehicle Sunday, and I follow her and she never know because him borrow one bicycle, ride on the bicycle and I watch her. But one thing when she do smart, you know, the woman know for things, though. She got on a style first before she go where she go. Because if she do something, she said she do it back, she burn him back. But she make her breaks and stop her for her sister-in-law. I know she don't know say him follow her, you know. I want her that sister will have. See, so what him do on bicycle and him the ride bicycle, I drive and I watch him and see say, she at a distance him I watch. But she smart, she don't know say I watch her, you know. Because when she come on, we tell her she frightened. But she did do a smart move because she make a stop her sister-in-law first. Breaks off, so him said, sure. She don't have sister-in-law before she go away.
Yeah.
Raga, back to the doctor argument. What do you not talk about that? You know, say doctor, then some of the doctor in Jamaica and know nothing.
What you mean? Talk quick. Yeah.
Raga, you see me, you don't. You know, say, in a 2000, in a 2000, you know, say, one doctor tell me my foot, them I go cut off my foot.
Why?
Raga, me used to play netball and me get one sprain and I have this sprain for over a year. I never know because I was active netball from me I go high school. And it have a sprain and me I go doctor in a Raga and them say them not see nothing, you know, till it start get bad now. Till it's everywhere I go them I tell me say a sprain. Me tell me say me no man sprain can't feel so and me I pursue it till me end up at public. Till me end up at KPH. And I do one x-ray down there, you know, and the doctor said they not see nothing. Raga 1 year after, my foot look like it have a little lump right this and Raga when me go public, the same people them will do this testing, they do one test now, you know, and tell me say me have a trauma over here in my foot. Raga want the first doctor when me see here when say I forgot cut off the foot immediately. Raga me start first and say no doctor na put no knife for me.
Okay.
Raga,
man, you generally, we're going to go to some other mix-up, you know, but you generally have to be very careful. I'm going to tell people all the while, always get a second or third opinion.
Yes, Raga, no for them not no.
Always get a second or third opinion. All right, let's say a word here.
Yeah, man,
all right. Larry, I did not cancel your fan page. Larry, me don't even put on your fan page. Larry, me don't know nothing about your fan page. Okay, so just for the record, Larry Dean, I did not cancel your fan page. Facebook term, I did not unlike your fan page. I never did like it. On the fan page, you can just go on. And you know that to Larry. And Larry, you're the boss, so rate you like that. You're one of the king on the fan page. So you don't know, say, and whole heap of people over there rate you. And give you crazy rate things and things. The girls, them love you. Ragashanti love you. Michelle love you. Look how much woman love you over there, Larry. We not do that, Larry. You're the boss, man. If you even think that. But I never diss it that way to my boss. Just cool, man. I don't know I want, but figure it out. Larry, a Ragashanti didn't say you have a fan page. I don't even know say you have a fan page. My lad. So people just come up on the page and thing and do them thing. I can't stop that. You understand? I don't know nothing about it, Larry. I don't know if a Michelle do it. Or Ragashanti do it. Or Angel. Check Angel, Larry. I could have Angel do it. One of them. You understand? No, Larry said, think you do it, Michelle.
No, I'm asking maybe fan page just not likeable. The man said, oh, there we did that. Oh, me for the lead fan page, I'm never start. After I'm gonna start.
Larry, but Larry, you need to understand how the fan wall works. Anybody can go up on the fan wall. And it's not something where you take off people. Right, Larry? And Larry, we ain't have nothing because
Larry know me love him.
The page.
Sure. Larry, I go and stuff. Larry knows some love him.
Sure, Larry, you know some Michelle wants up your body. Wicked.
Sure.
I think. Sure.
I know Larry, I'm going to today on Friday. Sure.
Okay, and for all of the people who keep on asking about the Facebook fan page, the Ragashanti Facebook fan page, it's Ragashanti, Ragashanti. For those people specifically asking about that page, you just have to type it in and you click like, and that's it. You remember, some want to think when I use the Facebook, want to think it's a complicated process. No, if you go to www.facebook.com, type in Ragashanti, Ragashanti, and you press like, that's it, and it's done.
Hey, Raga, guess what? 500 more likes and you reach 100,000 members on your fan page, you know?
Not 500 more, you check that wrong.
How much it there? No, the 90, 15, 514.
No, 90,513. So 500 more just bring it to 91,000. Did you go to Arden?
All right.
Ratty did Ratty.
Oh, no, man.
No, you really embarrassed yourself a while ago.
No, but you know, I'm not even checking. Can I tell you who told me? Can I tell you who told me from? From behind the scenes, we leave it right there. We leave it right there.
Okay, all right then. Okay, so which school Chris Cross is? Manchester Eye, don't?
Remember, on the rocks.
All right, big up Arden Eye and Manchester Eye. Not very strong in maths, I see.
I would say St. Jude.
Okay, to the phone line we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello?
Yes, greetings. Talk up.
Hello?
Yes, hello.
Hello?
Talk up, yes.
Yes. Brother, I'm Mr. Catherine.
What up?
Catherine, pick up the teacher, then I Catherine. Where her husband come down, they come beat her, where the lady, she had take the woman man. And the woman come down, come beat her yesterday.
Somebody send in a mix-up. So something really goes up for true?
Yes, brother, yes. I'm Mr. Taylor.
I what did happen? Give me the mix-up. What did happen?
The man come down at the school yesterday, come visit the teacher. After him, while him the on team we are come, the wife a trail him. So when him come and visit her and leave, the wife roll in.
Yeah.
Come now. Raga?
Yeah.
Yes, the wife come in March. The wife has spot out everything, So when time everything go on now, the wife come and go to her now, because the wife don't see the motive for everything. The wife go confront her and make sure know say a fear man that whatever, what have you are Raga down there. Yes.
Yeah, well, the wife beat her up on the school compound.
Yes, Raga, me fi tell you.
Well, a good beating her like Dolly or something.
Good up beating Raga.
Like, tell me what, no, she beat her, what? Hello? Oh, look like we lose that call. Hello? Sure. Well, we are here about to mix up with one wife, one teacher at school. I take one man and thing, and the wife, we hear it going on. The wife trail the husband when they go down there and check the teacher. When the husband cut, the wife roll him on the school compound and get the teacher a proper whopping. Because she take her husband and, drama. Crazy shit. Spanish don't send and I mix up that to me. Because I know it says Spanish don't crazy to me link like that. I rate Spanish don't max. Because them say mix up on something and them ever protect Raga. So we give thanks. Here we go to the phone lines. Hello.
Yes, Mr. Raga.
Yes, sir.
This is Ragashanti, don't it?
Yeah.
Okay. The lady that called yesterday even talking about the
Hold on. You see all them nice around you, we can't do that because somebody have a cuss about with us.
True, man. It's a car passing through. Raga, you hear me?
We did hear a whole heap of talking, man. We just don't want because them are going to say something enough to go over radio.
No,
so
man,
move
it's
from
a
them.
car passing through. It's a car passing through.
Listen, a car don't sound like when people attack. We did hear some people attack.
It's an announcement. Yeah. It's an announcement passing through, Uncle.
All right. Yeah, man. All right, go on, go on.
What I want to ask you, right?
Yeah.
The lady that called you yesterday even, giving her number concerning the health or the fiance that you like to link up with. Could I get her number, please?
Yeah, man, you can't get her number, man. Rude can't get the number, yeah?
Yes,
so
sir.
Wait, what you want to do for her?
No, you know, me have a restaurant, right? And, and she sound interested, like she wants somebody who will have a business who would help her. And I need help as well, too. So I would like to correspond with her and give her a talk. And if she's interested, we can link up, right?
I see what can work out. Nothing wrong with that. All right, we'll make Ruth get the number here. Yeah, and if it work out, you must call up back and make one.
Call back here and give a mix up, but right, we can't give it right now.
All right, Papa, no sour.
All right, my bless.
Yeah. Okay, here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, hello.
Big up yourself, Ragashanti. We could talk now.
All right. Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Brother.
Yeah.
Wagwan.
What day are you know?
All right. Now a mix-up for you. Not a phone mix-up.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I have a friend where I stick to add area, man, and look.
Yeah.
So it happened that
You know, I run the money. So she decides the boy, I go give me a shout out now.
Yeah.
Raga, she go. She said, I don't know if the papa she has to do something. You understand me?
Yeah.
I said something.
Yeah.
She said she woke up on her button. So she said, no, sir. Auntie. Anyway, Raga. She said, when get up. And boy, me not tell her, I'm saying, a woman no more reaching a top drawer. He never reaching a top drawer, reaching at the wardrobe, Raga. And she said, she trying to put on something. So she said, when it turned on, she said, who have with that? Raga, guess how the man put on?
A strap on?
Yeah. The man strap on something. So when she said, who have with that? And she used the word, you know.
And for service, woman. You never hear about that,
all right. And a 6 months when we left him, say, man, in wife, Miss Raga. You see? And she said to him, say, yeah, your wife left 6 months now. And I said, no, 12 years now, I use it. So she said, you can't use it for something for me because me no walk at your virus and virus. You mad?
Right.
No, me never. When she go, you know.
No, me never hear man I use strap on yet. Man, a lesbian use strap on when them a do them thing with that woman. Me never hear a man a strap on anything yet for you. So what you say? She say him only have a button. What she say him only? Is a button him have? Just a button.
Just a button. I look the thing he can't even press what.
They, you know what him should have said? Come touch me now. Touch a button now. Tambourine!
Tambourine. Come in around now. She said, wait, you know, carry horses. So I go on another to say, no. She said, please, no. How can we go about stuff? Because she's afraid, you know. So she said, all right, you know what? Me never bother going because she's afraid, say, in the night, or when she go drop us, she go start him work.
Okay, with the strap on.
Right, so she said she just watch. And as in Japan, she brother because she did done letter for 10 grand for her already.
Right.
She said, in Japan, she brother, she cut. She said, if you are 2 foot down the hill, then I don't hear, you know. She said she cut brother because she not able. That the sickness said the last one made she nervous more because it's bigger than about 10 inch. Raga really pop up. I mean, best friend Raga, you know how to.
Me know how? The woman?
Yes.
The woman?
Yes, ready. Let me tell you. No, I will tell you plain now. You want to go know. You remember the wicked when they tell you, say, well, one of your man take me, man? When you go back here, are you in the whole field? I should put you on the phone and talk to me, man.
Yeah, but me not remember how she looking now.
All right, no worry yourself, but she happened to. She happened to Raga. She happened to cut her run.
Yo, me not wrong her.
Yeah, man, she said she cut, man, she didn't have fun of it, man. Because next thing she got just asleep and then it starts work her in the night. And then no, she said, if you scream, nobody now hear you because you know them before for one another.
All right, let's say a word here. All right, let's say a word here.
You see the old cankers where they were there, you?
Yeah.
No, watch them because of them face a retired greater.
Them face favor a retired greater.
Yes. You know watch them carrying can they are nothing carry them you before you beside you, above you and below you.
Don't say a word. But we have to let go now, them have to take the break here.
No problem, man. Respect your roots and all of them.
Blessings, go.
I mix up and blend that time.
I'm wanting to call and talk up the things them.
Yeah, man, welcome back up in the set now. Mix up and blend that to the flipping world, yeah. But let's go straight to the phone line right now. Good afternoon, hello. Hello?
Hello, Raga.
Yeah.
What? First time caller.
Tell me now. Yeah.
First time caller, long time listener. Yesterday, lady
all right.
Call you.
Yeah.
Lady was just call you about she live on 10-speed bicycle. I like she tell. She don't even sound like she can do nothing.
But oh, you know, how people. What you
Me
mean?
know
Sound
Raga,
like
me know. She don't sound like she can do nothing. I'm sure no, so she don't have a cow foot, so she don't have no gum.
she not yam up cow foot, so she not have no gum.
Yeah, cow foot like.
But how you ever say that? How you ever say that about her? You don't even know her. You don't know nothing about her.
Me know her. From me ear, she
Oh, you know her.
lie she tell. And when she talk about man gear up money, it's lie she telling. Lie she telling. The woman that sound like a broke pocket girl.
No, but oh, you say. Well, you said that woman that sound like a broke pocket girl. That means you don't know who she is.
Man give her up. She talk about a man give her up money. I like she tell.
No, but what me I say is, well, no, listen me for a second. If you say that woman that sound like a broke pocket girl, that means you don't know who she is. You don't know who she is. Where you know her from?
She don't sound good, Raga, and it's lie she telling. It's lie she telling.
Me ask you a question. Where you know her from? Where you know her from?
You know that, Raga. You have to know that.
Oh, you mean me not to know that? Then you will come here and pass judgment against a woman to defend herself and make you know the things.
May I tell you how she sound? She sound like she don't have no money.
No, but what me I say is, where you know her from?
Me not to tell you that.
All right. You see, if you didn't know her, you wouldn't say she sound like. You wouldn't phrase your statement that way there. You just have a vibes about her, but you don't know her.
She don't sound good, Raga.
So make you eat it for her, so make sure agree with you, so.
She don't sound good. She sound like an old pop down old woman. I'm sure the way she talk, Raga, is lie she tell. See, that's why you can know the ear of a woman. Or who can say by the other boy, like it's lie she tell.
You just feel that she's a dirty liar.
Yes. And she don't have no cow skin to get gum, so I know say lie she tell.
So you name up cow skin and get the gum?
Yeah, my grandmother cookie give me
here.
Yes. All
right. All right. Now say a word here. All right. Yo, that one that just come in, it's a Raga. Big up the Ministry of Health driver. When I stop burn you out and them catch him park up the van in an isolated lane, recline in a AC, and I listen to you and I skin him teeth. Raga load him up. Cause him a listen. Again, I want to come in. Big up the Ministry of Health driver. When I stop burn you out and them catch him park up the van in an isolated lane, recline in a AC, I listen to you, that I'm me Raga, and I skin him teeth. Load him up, Raga, cause him a listen. Yeah, man, we're there for the whole of them, we listen quietly, man, and I bust the big laugh, them, and I enjoy on themselves, and all wicked, you know. Here we go to the phone line. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello, good afternoon.
Yes, greeting.
How you do, sir?
Boy, me all right, you know. You?
Hey, I'm God bless and I'm well all right. I'm just getting off the work right now.
All right.
You know, Raga.
Whoa.
You know, me learn. You see, when they come on to September people,
yeah,
they don't like when September people speak the truth.
Oh, you say people don't like when September people speak the truth?
Yeah, I'm a September person. My birthday the 6th of September.
Well, that's my birthday that too, you know.
And my mother has 4 of us born September, 3.1 date. One of us are a twin. I'm a twin.
Okay.
So when they come on to September people, them hate me for the truth.
Okay.
And you know, sometimes not everybody will support what are you doing.
Right.
No,
right.
Yeah, you have to just keep on doing what you're doing. You know, and everybody, God give every one of us talent.
Right.
And some people, in everywhere, God give everybody talent to do whatever they want to do. So it just half and half. Everybody have a talent to cook. Everybody have a talent to drive. Everybody have a talent to do every other thing in this world. So when people talking about what people not to do and people not do what to do,
I don't see no problem with what people do. I don't see no problem.
All right, Papa, thanks. You appreciate the feedback there, yeah?
Yeah, I have one more thing to say, Raga.
Yeah.
You see the thing about the religious thing the other day.
Which one?
About the Christian thing about the spirit.
Yes, yes.
You see, when you know God for yourself, and when you're filled with the Holy Ghost, it's an experience that everybody should experience.
Okay.
Yeah, it's an experience, and with the speaking in tongues, is a process. Is a thing where everybody. When I become a Christian, I baptize, I feel with the Holy Ghost. It's a thing that everybody will experience.
All right. All right.
Okay. And you take care of yourself. And that gentleman who called Michelle the goat the other day is a totally disrespectful.
That man, when him got killed, said she sound like gold, he was very disrespectful, him this Michelle, right?
Yeah, very disrespectful. And we don't support that.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
All right, sir.
All right.
All right.
Karen Wildman, how are you? Karen Wildman, how are you? Downtown, I thief the people them phone. I want to Karen Wildman downtown, phone thief Karen Wildman. Anyway, here. Him head look away against that pink fence there. That's Karen I don't me. Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, greeting.
Hello.
Yeah.
Good afternoon, Raga.
Yes, good afternoon.
How are you? I'm calling from New York. Huh?
From New York?
Yes.
Where in New York? Yeah.
I'm calling from Deer Park.
All right.
Yes. Raga, I'm not telling a lie. You're good. You're good. I can't tell you how nervous me is to talking to you. In 2009, I come to Jamaica. I first met you by your radio station. I'm not telling a lie. My stepsister put it on the station. And get a piece. I'm say, no, turn it back. I say, Raga, you keep me going for the day when me there to Jamaica. I'm not telling a lie. So when I come back up, I'll be you me listen to, you know.
See it there?
But
all right, you up in New York and you listen and you get something from the show and you enjoy the show. But there are people in the Broadcasting Commission in Jamaica who are determined to get rid of me off the air. What you that say to them?
They have no sense, humor, and them don't know how to have fun. And them bad mind people, they understand?
Okay.
But guess what? When God has him plan, trust me, there's nothing people can stop when God has him plan. Let me tell you something, Raga. Go and do your thing, you're good.
All right, we give thanks here.
Yeah, man, I say nothing.
All right, the protection and strength up in our cool here.
All right.
Safety. All right. To the phone lines we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, greetings.
Hi, Raga.
Yeah.
Are you hearing me? Because I'm not hearing you properly.
Yeah, man. May I hear you loud and clear? May I hear you loud and clear?
Ray, we just want to pick up your don't know Spanish Town in Catherine Lad.
Yeah.
We have a little mix-up for the thing of the theater last week, February 8th. And I just want to comment on that one. In regards to the man who had Spanish Town, I do the swiping. And I swiped out all the little girl, them, and all the lesbian, them, and his wife come down from Canada. And me and them go up on the mic and Ray and talk about the things they want to say. Don't want to lesbian them. I wife him want. But,
yes, me about that mix up there. It's like,
you remember no?
Yeah, man, it's like him come down from Canada and him have a bag of woman down there and him woman, and then them have one dance. And then him wife come down and then war start and whatever, and him go up on the mic and say, uncle, him wife, him want Ray. And down there that woman, them has two.
Can get deep. And my ears for the next sister now, because him sister must be there Canada. I've seen sister get dipped too. So she knows stop talk about how much and a dip she get dipped as she leave and go down kind of stuff in her passport and that she get she get what's it called again? She's married and whatever. But all I know she can't show nobody no married photos. And now that you know if you married, and I'm going to show people photos straight because they get married and whatever.
Right.
She can't show nobody and she can't claim say she married to one man up here when we know so the man get married this year. Yeah. So I'll be
Wait, where you a call from again? Well, on, man. Where you a call from again?
T.O. That's James Street representative.
Well, on, where are you calling from?
Canada, we say.
Canada. Oh, okay. All right. But it sounds like you know you and I have something. You and I not take tea then.
We don't know them people. We just know say I think what the day I saw and the girl have nothing. She the day I saw straight. So you understand? A girl will walk and retail and go to place and whatever. So we know what say and if she get deep because we there a long time. We not
see.
We know about the place she there.
You see.
Them lives like that.
So, I which part of Jamaica she there now?
Me and say Spanish town she there.
Okay. But the wife gone up back to Canada.
The brother here with her.
But the wife gone up back to Canada, don't?
Yeah, the wife come back up, of course. But she will stay on the fast. She will come back up to come work and send him a little retail money so he can take care of the little at the way.
Okay, so. But then if I'm a sort out woman, you're a lesbian, then at least they must be bisexual then. If them involved with him as a man.
You know how they do it already. They go both ways.
Okay, so them bisexual then.
Both ways.
Okay. So what for you up in Canada? No. You living a good life up there?
I work me there right now when I got the people in bathroom when I talk to you. That's
all right, baby. That's our word. Here, take care here. All right, we just get a Canada link there and sit listen. Any other caller route because Chris Cross? Any other caller route? Route. All right, give me one more. Hello.
Raga.
Yeah.
Yeah, first time caller. How you doing?
All right. But they are give thanks.
Yeah, Michelle is sound like a ghost for real. Why she has to be acting like that?
What you mean? How she act?
She's too brawling. I mean, and enough.
But me brawling too. You know.
But Raga should be sensual, brawling woman and stuff like goat.
Then so she laugh, she can't help it.
No man, she needs to do better.
All right, you want to ask her.
But you sound brawling too. At least my brawling fit me, and I sound brawling too. And why you twang you know fit everybody? So what she hang up for? She has said me brawling and she brawling. My brawling I work for me, she a try twang.
I wish you make she caught door.
Anywho.
Now, my girl who call, we don't rate that around here, you know, if you can call in and talk up, you know, when the person face you know, virtually, of course, because you're on radio, you have to deal with the thing, you understand. If it's even you can deal with it calmly, you can't run like thieves, so.
But I work going in the ear the brawling and she try bring it off with that twanging and none of them now work for her. When me I say work for me, the twanging nor the brawling is no work for she and she brawling too, everybody brawling.
Yeah. No, everybody not brawling.
Well, you know what I mean.
Right.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, crisscross.
Would you say Professor Hopeton done is brawling? I'm not thinking brawling.
Who Professor Hopeton done?
Yeah, I don't think him brawling.
Once upon a time, rather. Once upon a time.
Oh, Professor Hopeton done? What about Cardell Green? You think him brawling?
Jesus. Once every year.
Once every year.
Yeah, man. One
No,
time
man, when
here.
Cardell Green go for brawling in a powerful man and woman
Oh,
concert,
Jesus.
you drop back and you can't just say, it's in him, you know,
Yeah,
man.
it's in him blood.
You see it there. You see it. Yo, Chris Cross and Michelle, when you try to take the class with Professor Upton done up on you.
Why?
In fact, when them things that come up, you don't, you probably shouldn't even.
No, sir. No.
Don't get involved.
No,
These people can be very they don't forget, you know.
Huh?
So they don't forget. So I don't want them go.
Let's hope they
I
forgive.
don't want them go start pick pound. The next thing you know, them go out start talk to two lecturers. Make them pick pound.
At them time the shoot us brawling.
No. Me I talk about Professor Upton down on Cardell Green.
Yeah, and I'm saying if them pick on me at them time the shoot and no brawling.
No. Well, I don't want them go trouble. You know. I want them to finish with university and I want them to do well and thing because don't be fooled by them supposed niceness where you see them up when them at and thing. When them get miserable, the thing can get sticky.
They are
right?
terrible.
Make them go and move to me. Eh?
No, man, them terrible.
Terrible.
No, man, make them, when anything come up with them, I must make sure I don't involve on the night. Make me deal with it. Make me deal with them, man. But me, I tell you them, right? I tell you, right. But anyway, everything
Raga,
is
I have to say,
I told them that you know.
I told them you know. See if I never want thing. Done, boy. No, because serious. Why would these bright people pay we any attention? And we over here, so we're just so silly and goofy.
I know,
right? Why they pay we attention? I told the show a shot and we have the listenership. Yeah.
What have it,
Yo.
man?
Yeah. You know, the Cardell Green did have radio show for years, though.
Mm-hmm.
You know, the Cardell Green did have a radio show for years, though.
So I've been told. So
it never do nowhere near as well as my one. No, it did not. It did not.
Well, what was that show about?
Huh?
What was that show about?
I don't know if anybody even know.
Oh, cause
I know him. I got done.
When name Richie. Richie said that it was the Richie B then.
Oh, he was the Richie B then?
Something like that.
Something like that.
That is to say that at the height of Cardell Green's radio career, it was at the same level at the height of Richie B radio career. That is an insult to Richie B.
Him say it was similar to that. It was popular. That's what Richie saying. Remember Richie been long time? So him know him attack.
Listen to me. Cardell Green's show was nowhere near as popular as Richie B's show. Trust me for that one. When Richie there shell down the place at RGR, Richie there at 102 now and thing, but when Richie B did lock the place at RGR, when Cardell Green show did that, it was nowhere near the level where Richie B one did. Not even close.
Richie said it was only on a Saturday morning, but it was very popular.
Me said, look at something that go on feet, but it was nowhere near the level where Richie B did. Oh God, Richie man, how you for say that? I probably look at Richie did not listen to it alone.
No, him that work at JBC.
He was working
then,
at JBC
so,
at the
you
time.
All right.
Him same did at JBC FM them time.
I know me going to get a letter say, I hear me now, even move. Could I get licked down by a road, you know? Anyway, people, I don't know why them even pay me no mind, because I'm a silly little nutcase. Anyway, people, take care and listen. Next week topic. Next week topic. We're going back to it. How do you catch people who are gibbon? Catch people are gibbon mix up. How do you catch people who are gibbon? What are the best ways to catch people when they are gibbon? That is next week's topic. What are the best things to do to catch people when they are gibbon? We are going to shell out that topic there. Mad. Okay, people, 1 o'clock Monday, we kick it off again. Chris Cross, I can blaze up some tune. want to say thanks to Richard Rainford, technical operator, Jermaine King, technical operator, Ruth of the Coyote, the hard-working producer, DJ Chris Cross, the resident DJ. Big up Nico Bam Bam, who juggling at the weekend too. Mitchell, man,
the brawling one.
Yourself and thing. The brawling one.
Yeah, no apology please.
Okay. What do you think, Emily?
Yeah, no,
all
but
right.
funny enough for them say when them see her, them smile up with it. That's why me no friend people.
No, for real. Crazy people heal me up and thing and
Me no
don't know
friend
behind my back.
people.
You see it. But we don't ever pay that no mind. People take care of yourself and thing, and if we don't lose on the phone, check Karen Wildman. She probably knows something. All right, people, take care of yourself out the road.